Infor Factory Track for LN, customer returns. The customer return transaction is to be used when no RMA exists. If an RMA actually does exist, the receipts transaction should be used. In order to use the customer returns, the operator scans in the customer or enters the customer number, specifies whether it's a new order or whether it is to be added to an existing return order. On the entry screen, the operator scans in the item number, enters the quantity being returned, the warehouse it's being returned to, the location if the put away is turned on and the item is location controlled, the handling unit logic to be used if the item and warehouse is handling unit controlled, and the lot number if the item is lot controlled. If the item is serial controlled, the serial lot button is enabled, and the operator can then either generate the serial numbers or manually enter them. They can be reset if a mistake has been made, or the operator can view the scanned serials and remove them. The standard label printing logic is initiated, where we can enter the number of labels for handling units if the item is handling unit controlled. We can also print content labels if it's handling unit controlled, or if it's not handling unit controlled, can enter the label combinations required.